Alright, look, excellent, bro. This is a tutorial. I'm gonna be showing you how to record your game. Alright. So first, this is what I think you're doing. I think you're using this thing right here called display capture. Since as you can see at the bottom, right? Wait, how do I? Never mind. As you can see at the bottom, you can see my like taskbar. You can see all my apps, and you can see this thing over here where it shows you the app you're using. So that's what I saw in your video. Um, you can fix that by first. I suggest you just remove display capture entirely, right? And this game capture here, let me just remove it just so I can show you how to install it. So you go to this plus button, you go to game capture, right? And then when you get this, just you can name it whatever you want. Here, let's say we're gonna name it what's it called? Minecraft. All right. So there we go. We're gonna name it Minecraft. You don't. It literally does not matter what you name it. So you do okay, right? And then here for the mode, as you can see, it says capture any full screen application, right? You're gonna wanna make sure it says capture specific window. So you're gonna press it, and then you're gonna go to capture specific window, and then from here, your Minecraft should be open. I don't know why my Minecraft looks like that, but it's just this is Minecraft right here. Okay, this is Minecraft. It looks like whatever that app looks like. So if your Minecraft is open, you should find it right here. As you can see, java.exe feather client 1.21.11. So you press that, and as you can see, boom, you have it right here. All right. What else you want to do? You see, there's a bunch of these settings right here, right? Don't do capture audio because right here on the audio mixer, you already have this thing here that captures everything for you. So you don't need this. I suggest you put capture the cursor so you can see the cursor when you're playing. Use anti-cheat. I don't know what that is, but just leave it because it automatically picks everything recommended. So pretty much 99% of the time, all you need is these two, and all it's gonna give you is these two. So make sure it's just these two. Hook rate. You can keep it at normal since it says recommended because it really doesn't matter. Hook rate is just when you open the OBS, how long it takes it to how long it takes the game capture to realize that Minecraft is open. That's it. So just keep it at normal. If fastest, I wouldn't do fastest. Like it doesn't matter. What's it called? If you're all right here, let me just click OK. If this thing doesn't show up, just go to Minecraft and like full screen, press something, then exit full screen, press something. Like keep pressing stuff so it will eventually show up. All right, now as you can see, this thing is just humongous on my screen. So what you want to do is right click it, go to transform, like hover over transform, and then just go down, fit the screen. As you can see, it says Control F. So you can either just press it. I suggest you just press it. It's easier, or you can just Control F, and there we go. As you can see how it's frozen right now because I'm on OBS. But if I go to Minecraft, as you can see everything. Look here. Let me just log into the server real quick. It's taking a long time. See, as you can see, I'm in. Really laggy because my computer's not built for this yet. Yeah, so that's it. Alright. Here, so let me just okay, let me just remove this for now. So as you can see, that's it. Um I suggest you just keep these two right here for like the best, like so it's faster. I don't know why am I hearing, what does it say? Disable monitoring. Here, let me Oh, okay. So what I think this thing does is you press it, you can hear yourself, but if you don't press it, you don't hear yourself. So right now, if you can hear me talking in the video, just keep this thing off. But if you don't, if I'm required to do this, then like yeah, you should turn it on. All right. I don't think there's anything else. Yeah, I think we're done. Yeah, that's it, bro. Oh, and also, um, if your game is laggy, like, or your recorder's laggy, you can mess with this stuff, right? Um, you need to make this go into advanced, and then it's gonna show you stuff over here. And then once you press advanced for this one, you output mode, you put it to advanced. It's gonna show you streaming, recording, blah blah blah. So you press the recording, and then you're gonna get options like these, right? So as you can see, from my computer, it uses a H.264. It uses this stuff, right? But yours, you clearly have a better computer, so I'm guessing you're gonna have way different options. Or if you want, you can, like, if you want the best settings, you can just do system information like that. Once you open it, you're gonna get a bunch of this stuff right here, right? This is like all your specs, right? So you can just control A and copy all of that, control C, copy all of that, and you can just go to ChatGPT and tell it to give you the best settings for 60 FPS on recording and 1080p for the quality, and what's it called, and for smooth gameplay. And then it's gonna tell you step by step what to do. If you need help, just let me know, but I'll guide you through it. Or if you don't feel like doing all that, you can press auto configuration wizard over here by going to tools. Once you press that, it's gonna give you like a little pop-up thing over here. Here, let me search it up so I can show you what it looks like. Auto con. All right, look. So look on OBS. Once you press tools, press the first thing, auto configuration wizard, and then it's gonna give you this thing right here, right? Here, look. You're gonna press optimize just for recording. I will not be streaming. This doesn't matter. Just press it, and then once you press next over here at the bottom, it should like what's it called? Look, it's gonna give you something like this. So yeah, actually that's exactly what you should do. Look, since you're using 1080p, 1920 by 1080, you select that and then do this exactly, either 60 or 30, and then do next, apply, blah blah blah, and then it's gonna automatically like modify and optimize your OBS for everything, and you should be good. All right, bro. Just make sure once you're in Minecraft, you go full screen on Minecraft so it's smoother, and we don't see like your abs open. Cause in the video here, let me show you. Um, no, what's it called? All right, here, let me show you in the video. So as you can see, yeah, don't worry, I subscribe to you, bro. I'll give you a shout out on my channel too if you want. Like, it don't matter. As you can see here on your video, I watched it on my TV, by the way. That's why it's not completed. It was so peaked that I had to continue watching it on the TV. As you can see, look here. Wait, can you even see it? I think you can see it. All right. Okay, first, here's what I suggest you do. I suggest you remove this thing right here, the subtitles for Minecraft. I suggest you remove the schematic. You don't have to remove the mod. If you can find a way to just hide this, I suggest you remove whatever this thing is right here, and remove this thing, the keybind thing, where it shows the right click and blah blah blah. And what is this? Here, let me see. What is this right here? All right, here's what you want to keep. You should keep the armor durability. You should keep remove the MS, remove the pink. You should keep the armor. You should keep the strength. You know, even if you have an inventory HUD, you should just keep that too. It doesn't matter. If you have like a reach display, you can keep that too. But other than that, everything's fine. And also, um, the volume's kind of down. I don't know how you could fix this. You could probably find like a here. Let me ask ChatGPT. You could probably find like a third-party video where it tells you. I mean, a third-party app or something that can help you out. Here, let me just search it up real quick. All right, look, I found a couple options. As you can see here, look, it says equalize whatever this thing is. Um, yeah, I just searched it up on ChatGPT. It tells you. I suggest for this stuff, you can like what's it called? Here, let me see it. You can like search it up on YouTube and see how to use, you know. So what is this thing called? Equalizer. All right, here, let me search it up on YouTube and see if it works. How to use Equalizer 8 Pro. Um, yeah, as you can see,
Alright, in this video
here's a
is
thing.
the
I'll just put
editor.
it in the
So
description
just
and
double
comments of the
this red
video,
to open it.
so you
Be
can
back to really low bass out.
use. If this video looks too confusing, you can just look for other ones. There's a bunch of more. You can just search. You can just search it up. How to boost your recording volume, as you can see. There we go. Look, here's a setting for OBS. Here, you know what? I think I'll just upload this
So
one.
fine, then add a compressor. Would give
Yeah, I think I'll just upload this one. Alright, let me just copy it. I think I'll just give you that link. Alright, this. Tell me about if this helps you. If this makes the make sure you take like a test video for like I don't know like a minute or 2 minutes, and then send that, and I'll tell you if there's anything else to fix. Alright, just make sure we need everything to be as perfect as possible. Alright, but thank you.